In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the BlueStacks config file. We will walk through a short path in Windows so you can quickly reach the folder where BlueStacks keeps its configuration data. To begin, press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run window in the bottom left or center of your screen. The Run window is a small box with a single text field labeled Open and two buttons labeled OK and Cancel. If you do not see that small box, make sure both keys are held together and try the shortcut again. Once the Run window is open, move to the text field next to the word Open. Now type the following, exactly as you hear it, %program data%. You should see it appear with the % signs at the beginning and at the end. The text field should now show %program data% with no spaces before the first % or after the last one. If you make a typing mistake, use backspace to correct it rather than closing the box. After you have typed %program data%, press the Enter key on your keyboard. You can also click the OK button. It does the same thing here. Windows Explorer will open a new window, usually titled Program Data. On most systems, this window shows a long list of folders for many installed programs. If the window takes a moment to appear, give it a few seconds, since some computers load this directory a bit more slowly. With the Program Data window open, scroll if needed and look for a folder named BlueStacks_NXT. When you see it, double-click BlueStacks_NXT to open it. The folder name might appear near other BlueStacks-related entries, but BlueStacks_NXT is the one that holds the newer configuration structure. Once inside, the address bar at the top of the window should now end with BlueStacks_NXT, confirming you are in the right place. Now that you are inside the BlueStacks_NXT folder, look for configuration files and folders. You will usually see several items, such as folders with names related to engine, user-data, or config, and sometimes files with extensions like .json or .config. These are the pieces BlueStacks reads when starting up, to know how to arrange its virtual Android environment. A helpful tip here, you can click the View menu and change to Details View so you can see file types and dates, which makes spotting configuration items easier. Many users like to sort by name so that related config folders group together. You do not need to open or edit them yet. Just confirm you can see where they live, because any later tweaks or backups of your BlueStacks settings will happen from this location. You have now opened the Program Data folder, reached the BlueStacks_NXT directory, and located where the BlueStacks configuration files and folders are stored. If this walkthrough helped you find your BlueStacks config, a quick thumbs up helps others do the same, and feel free to subscribe for more practical BlueStacks tips.